Welcome. If you're looking to quickly access your favorite photos in the Dropbox mobile app, starring them is a simple and effective way to do just that. Today, I'm going to show you the updated steps to star a photo in the Dropbox app on your phone, so you can find it faster whenever you need it. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look down at the bottom of the screen and tap the Files tab. This section is where all your folders, documents, and photos live. Next, scroll through your files until you find the photo you want to star. When you see it, look to the right side of the file name or thumbnail, and you'll notice 3 vertical dots. Tap those dots. This opens a menu with various options for that particular photo. From the menu, find and tap the option labeled Star. This action marks the photo as a favorite, making it easy to locate later without searching through your entire list of files. Once the photo is starred, you'll have quicker access by using the Starred tab in the app's main menu. This way, any photo or file you prioritize stays within reach, saving you time and hassle. That's it. Starring photos on Dropbox's mobile app is a quick trick that helps you stay organized and efficient, especially when you're on the go. Just remember, open Dropbox, tap Files, select the 3 dots next to your photo, and star it. Your favorites will be ready to find in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to make the most out of Dropbox's handy features to keep your files just the way you want them.